I'm reading out of the book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. Are you enjoying some of these readings? I've just been reading a little bit. Hey, if you don't even want to get the book, you can listen to me read if you want. But I would encourage you to get the book because then you'll have it in your hands. You can flip back, you can mark on it, you can write down notes on it and all that kind of stuff. I've just been reading briefly to you about how the subconscious controls all functions of the body, and you can find that in chapter 3. Whether you are awake or asleep, the ceaseless, tireless action of your subconscious mind controls all the vital functions of your body without any need for your conscious mind to intervene. While you are asleep, your heart continues to beat rhythmically. Your chest and diaphragm muscles pump air in and out of your lungs. There, the carbon dioxide that is the byproduct of the activity of your body's cells is exchanged for the fresh oxygen you need to go on functioning. Your subconscious controls your digestive processes and glandular secretions, as well as all the other wondrously complex operations of your body. All this happens while you are awake or asleep. If you were forced to operate your body's functions with your conscious mind, you would certainly fail. You would probably die a very quick death. The processes are too complicated, too intertwined. The heart-lung machine that is used during open heart surgery is one of the wonders of modern medical technology. But what it does is infinitely simpler than what your subconscious mind does 24 hours a day, year in, year out. Suppose you were crossing the ocean in a supersonic jetliner and you wandered into the cockpit. You certainly would not know how to fly the plane, but you would not find it difficult to distract the pilot and cause a problem. In the same way, your conscious mind cannot operate your body, but it can give it and get in the way of proper operation. Worry, anxiety, fear, and depression interfere with the normal functioning of the heart, lungs, stomach, and intestines. The medical community is just beginning to appreciate the seriousness of so-called stress-related diseases. The reason is that these patterns of thought interfere with the harmonious functioning of your subconscious mind. Let me read that again. That is very interesting how your subconscious can actually work on your body. In the same way, your conscious mind cannot operate your body, but it can get in the way of proper operation. Worry, anxiety, fear, and depression interfere with the normal functioning of the heart, lungs, stomach, and intestines. The medical community is just beginning to appreciate the seriousness of so-called stress-related diseases. The reason is that these patterns of thought interfere with the harmonious functioning of your subconscious mind. When you feel physically and mentally disturbed, the best thing you can do is to let go, relax, and still the wheels of your thought process. Speak to your subconscious mind. Tell it to take over in peace, harmony, and divine order. You will find that all the functions of your body will become normal again. Be sure to speak to your subconscious mind with authority and conviction. It will respond by carrying out your command. Get this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. It is a good read, and it will help you with all kinds of things throughout your life. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.